Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Menteri Katanat Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs uba coming one Ymbond ula kentan ya kajing kenok ki udori ki marba madi ha kejela. Ymbond ula ong ba kajing madan ka Voice of People Party kalong Tang jingkwah myntoi namar balajan ke MDC election. Laban kedau baka Voice of People Party VPP minta kesengi ke khatlai trik unai lur arhajar arpsau kala pelong de kejing ki syong kelan mongor hamadan malki ban penpau kejing persya halor kejing bam shimkia ke sorkar ye kejing kiudor ki marba mardi ha kejela.
Yes. Yes. And second is because of railway. Yes, railway also. We don't have railway. That's why price is high. Yes. Little bit, not so much. But that is little bit. You cannot say that. No, they increase because of the. You see, the truck is coming from Guwahati before direct to Shillong. Now they have to go around like this. Shillong bypass from Mount Keneng. They have to turn back to Shillong. Almost to 60 to 70 kilometers different. The trucks will charge extra. Suppose if the cost of the transportation is 100 rupees per quintal. Now they will charge 200 rupees per quintal.
Can you tell us how many times your officers went to check price rise in the city?
I will give you the detail. Our department, they rate every now and then. We have the price monitoring system, no? In 2021-22, our department rate is around 1078 conducted the rate. 22-23, 106 time. Then on 23-24 till today, 442 rates conducted.
What is the result?
Result that we found is the same.
So, do you mean to say, because there is also an allegation that the rates are different in different localities. So, different in different localities. So, you are having
different localities. You see like this. Suppose Limekra market and Ranjak market also. Wholesale price from the Barabajar, from Ymbond, then retail price in Limekra. Some is different is there, no? Those people who purchase, suppose 50 rupees from Barabajar, they will sell, not they selling around 50 rupees the same price. They have to charge extra, no? By Daiju, what they call, Kuli.
But golfing again different price?
Yes, different price, different locality, different price.
So are you going for any
if you're talking about retail price, the other market is different and the other market is also different. Because when you purchase a retail, you have to select a good item, no? Like onion, suppose you do wholesale, you purchase around 50 rupees per kg in one bag. Then after you reach Limekra, some roasted also there. These people retail, they have to increase the price. No?
Why is it that in Barabajar, 3-4 shops are having different rates?
I don't know that. I don't think so. Will be the different rate because all the shopkeeper they used to display in the board. No, this is the rate of wholesale price. This is the retail price. Every shop, I think, they all really display in the board.
So what your this price monitoring system, what exactly it is doing? If every market has different price, what it is doing?
Different price, only retail price. I think wholesale price is the same. Not.
What is the job of price monitoring system? What it is doing?
No, the job of the price monitoring system to strengthen the oversight. We established the price monitoring committee, all the district, all the subdivision to maintain, to cope with this. Maybe there is no hoarding, no black marketing. That's what these people from price monitoring system they used to check for that also.
So black marketing is not happening.
Yes, not happening.
No,
We don't allow. We can
no
assure.
middleman, no extortion.
No. We can assure the people of the state we didn't allow this hoarding or black marketing.
No middleman, no
No, no,
extortion.
no. Extortion, I don't know. I
Okay.
think you can ask from the police department, you can ask from the, that is not our jurisdiction to check the extortion and all that.
Has the government done a study on, comparative study on 8 northeastern states, the price variations?
Price almost the same.
But have you done a study? That's my
Yes, we done the study. We have the proof also.
Who has done the study?
Our department.
You have sent your men there? And
Yes.
Can you share the details?
We can share of course. That also is effective. I think you know better. The fare by train is maybe 2 rupees. By truck, 4-5 rupees. That is also one is
The
major.
question is, we have the railway head in Guwahati.
Yes.
From there it is going to other states. The question is, other states in the northeast have a lesser price than Shillong. Why? What is the reason here?
Shillong is tell me, repeat.
Shillong is the highest, is having highest price. Inflation is high.
We
What is the
depend
reason?
only by road. No, all the transport is by road.
Even other states in the northeast, like Mizoram, Nagaland, all depend on the road.
Do you have a proof?
That is what
Nagaland
the-
is cheaper than
yeah,
Shillong?
that is what the VPP MLA raised.
No. This is like a political play only. Now election in MDC is very near. They have to play that. No? They have to fool the public in Meghalaya. No? That is the main thing.
About this price monitoring system. So there is no need to send people physically to any place. There is a centralized dashboard which has been made from the side of the ministry. So essential commodities in each and every state, in each and every district, all over the country is found out by the concerned supply department, and the uploads are made. So we can go to the price monitoring dashboard and we can get the figures of all the essential commodities of our state, nearby states, northeastern states. But the point of reference for us will be only the northeastern states, plus maximum say Calcutta is one center that we look into. So based on that, we have got the rates of, like suppose just to give you illustration, we have made a chart of Shillong, Aizawl, Guwahati, Calcutta. So in that way you get a fair idea that in all of Northeast what is the price of rice, sugar, masoor dal, and so on and so forth. So what sir has been saying is that there are various extraneous factors at play, particularly for these items: onion, potato, tomato, which are agricultural in nature. So these are linked with many other factors. But there are other things also like rice, then you have dal, you have sugar, milk, groundnut. All these prices have been found to be stable. And also to add one more point also which sir has raised, we have asked, there cannot be one single price for each and every shop. There is a price range, so it should not shoot beyond the price. If there is a shoot off beyond say 10%, 20%, alerts are there which give us some indication that this commodity price is going up by 20%, 30%. What could be the cause? So weekly study is done just to find out what could be the factors.
So, who conducts this study? How do you monitor? If there's a
No, it is done by the Food and Civil Supplies Department, not just in our state, in all the states. So we map, we can get daily rates, we can get weekly rates, we can get monthly rates. There is a way to check by looking at the cohorts that how much the price has gone up, how the price has gone down. We can see the range also. If the range is artificial, going on the higher side, like all of a sudden in a week or a month, it has jumped up 20%, 30%, 40%. Then there is a way by which we can check that why it is high, due to transport factors, due to artificial factors, due to flood in some place, due to a blockade, and so on and so forth.
and if these rates are inflated, how do you check this inflation? Do you punish the people who are?
So this also sir has spoken of. We have this state level and district level price vigilance monitoring committee. These are committees chaired by DC. So there is a system by which inspections can be done, checks can be done, rates can be done. We are telling all the shops, through you also we would like to make an appeal. Each and every shop should display, there should be a price list of all the essential commodities, which is mandatory. If it is not being done through you, we'd like to make an appeal that if such shops are there who are not maintaining, there is a complaint mechanism also through which we can come to know, we will take action.